universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. However little known the feelings or views of such a man may be on his first entering the neighbourhood, this truth is so well fixed in the minds of the surrounding families that he is considered the rightful property of some one or other of their daughters. My name is Rose McCready, and today I'm about to perform one of my all-time favourite scenes from one of my all-time favourite films, inspired by the 2005 adaptation of Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. That was a mouthful. Sir, I appreciate the struggle you have been through, and I'm sorry to have caused you pain. Believe me, it was unconsciously done. And I'm sure the reasons which you've told me have hindered your regard will help you in overcoming it. And I might as well inquire why it was such an evident design to offend and insult, but you chose to tell me you like me against your better judgment. Is this some excuse for incivility if I was uncivil? I have every reason in the world to think ill of you. Do you think anything would tempt me to accept the man who was ruined, perhaps forever, the happiness of a most beloved sister? Do you deny it, Mr Darcy? That you separated a young couple who loved each other, exposing your friend to the censure of the world for caprice, and my sister to its derisions for disappointed hopes, and involving them both in misery of the acutest kind. How could you do it? Indifferent. She's shy. My sister hardly shows her true feelings to me. I suppose you thought his fortune had something bearing. Mr Bingley didn't seem to vex himself about it. What about Mr Wickham? What excuse can you give for your behaviour towards him? He told me of his misfortunes and of your affliction. You have reduced him to his present state of poverty, and you treat him with sarcasm. And those are the words of a gentleman. From the first moment I met you, your arrogance and conceit in your selfish disdain for the feelings of others made me realise that you were the last man in the world whom I could ever be prevailed upon to marry.